What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sharena. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. Listen, today is a fun video. We are making some customized composition notebooks. This is a perfect video for teachers, or even if you're a DIY mom that like to make stuff for your kids going back to school. If you're one of those extra parents like I am, this video is for us. These are the composition notebooks. We're gonna customize these. You literally can get these notebooks from Walmart. I got mine from Walmart. They're 50 cents. So let's say you get two for $1, and you actually want to customize these and sell them. You can sell them for like $5-6 and make you an $11 profit off of just 2 notebooks, and that's a decent little profit off 50 cents, you know. Also, I don't know. I just, how y'all feel about it? Let me show you. I got these pencil boxes from the Dollar Tree. Y'all think we should customize these too in the video? Okay, good. I thought so too. And just so you know, again, these are what the composition books look like. You know, this is how they start out. But we gonna customize the fronts and the backs and make them a little more personable for your kid or your student or whatever have you. And so here is some layout. Can y'all see? Hey, this is the layout. So this is I can't get it right. Hold on, y'all. This is, jeez. Here we go. I guess. I don't know. Can y'all see? It's a little boo-boo design. This is what's trending with the kids these days. This little boo-boo character. It's a glare. I'm sorry, y'all. The little boo-boo character. I also did another little boo-boo, and that's what it would look like if you put the name on there. And then I did a Hello Kitty. I'm sorry, y'all, if it's a glare. I'll clip the next video so y'all can see more close up. Again, so like this is front and back. This is what they look like. And then we're gonna match it with a pencil box. Okay, we're gonna match it with the pencil box. And oh yeah, I got 9 free designs for you. So we're gonna design in Canva. If you're not Canva Abby, you don't know how to design, I got 9 free designs for you already created. I've already created, customized 9 free designs. You don't have to pay anything for them. You just have to join my Facebook group on Facebook. It's called the Craft Goats. I'm gonna drop the link straight to the group in the description. So go check out the description. Once you get there, you want to go to the featured tab at the top of the group, and then you will see all the layouts that I created for the composition book. So again, if you don't know how to design in Canva, like we're gonna do today, go to my Facebook group, join the group, go to the tab at the top to say feature, and I have 9 designs for you that you can print out and customize your notebooks. Even if you're just starting out, it's free. You don't have to do nothing, but join the group. All right, so let's get into the video, y'all.
For this project, you would need sticker paper. You can use glossy or matte. I'm going to be using glossy, some holographic sheets, which are optional but actually helps, and then your notebooks, which I stated are from Walmart. Now, to find the free images, you need to go to my craft group and go under feature, and then you'll be able to see all the images that I created. These images are all front and back. There are 9. I have 2 separate little boo-boos and a bundle of 7 designs. Here are the designs that I created. Again, it's 7 of them, and they are all front and back. And you can just scroll through and view them and see which design that you like. These are absolutely free for you to use, and you can do whatever with them. We're going to be making 2 notebooks today. So once you find a design that you like under feature, you left click the design, front and the back, and you save it to your computer. I just saved the little boo-boo design, front and back, and then I'm going to save the Roblox design, front and back. We're making 2 notebooks today. Be sure to save the fronts and the backs for each design. Next, we're going to go to Canva and create a custom size, a 7x10. Your page layout should be a 7x10 inch. And then, of course, we're going to go to Uploads and upload our file. This is the front of our little boo-boo notebook. Spread it out, drag it out to fit the page. Then we're going to go to text, and then we're going to type out a name. Now here you can change the font of your name and the color of your name to your liking. I usually try to stick as far as colors with colors that's in the actual image. And then I usually 9 times out of 10 go to effects and put an outline around the name. And again, keeping the colors that's within the image. So, and this is the final look. You can just reposition the name, make it however big or small that you like. Once you have everything in place, then you can click share and then download to save it. Next, you want to go back to uploads, remove that from the page, go back to uploads. Then you want to upload the back for the composition book, and then again put it onto your page and drag it out to fit, and then you're done. Same thing with the Roblox. Click delete to remove it from the page. We're going to go to uploads and find our image for the front of our notebook, and then we're going to drag it out to fit the page. Then we're going to go over to text so that we can type out a name, and then we can change the font and the color and resize and all that good stuff the same way we did for our first notebook image. When you get these designs from our Facebook group, the only thing you can do is add a name, or you can't actually go in and change around the layout from what I have it as. So the only thing you can do is add a name, or you can add other things, but it's only made for you to add a name. So basically you can't alter the design, you can just add a name, but there are so many designs in that Facebook group, so I would definitely go join. It's a win. If you don't have Facebook, then you would just have to design on your own using a 7x10 page layout. I just try to help out those who don't know how to design. Now that our notebook covers are downloaded, now for the pencil boxes. Create a custom page size 11 by 8.5. This is landscape mode. Go under elements, grab a frame square that has the curved size, drag it till it's a 6.8 by 3.5, then duplicate it. You can fit 2 on a page. We're making 2 pencil boxes. Typically, if the background of the notebook, like the Roblox, is not so complicated, I just drag it and drop it. But for the Honey Boo Boo one, we're going to have to go in and customize some things. So I'm going to take the beige background and change the rectangle to that particular color. And then I'm going to lock it. You always lock it so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to remove the background so we have our little character. And then we're going to place it in the center. I'm going to go under elements and type out pink pencil bow background or pencil bow background. They're usually pink. And grab one that matched our notebook image or our notebook cover. Then go over to transparency and bring it down to a 29. And then I'm going to drag it out to fit the entire rectangle. Once I have it to size, I'm going to position it and send it to the back of our little boo-boo character. And then I'm done. Then you can mash share and download. Okay, next step is to print, guys. You should be printing from anywhere other than straight from the computer. If you follow me, I've told you once and I've told you twice. I always print from Silhouette Studio. You should not be printing straight from the computer because sometimes they alter your designs. And you don't want to mess up, perfectly good paper when you can just print from somewhere else. Here in Silhouette Studio, under page setup, you can go from portrait to landscape mode. These are your page layouts. We're going to be using both. But in portrait, we're going to go over to files. We're going to open up our file, which is the first little boo-boo notebook design, the front of it. You see how it came in small. Here we're going to resize it to a 7x10 and center it in the page. Now all we have to do is print. This is where you will print on your sticker paper using your regular inkjet printer. So use your regular inkjet printer and print on your sticker paper. Once you printed that out, we're going to go back over to files and we're going to find the back. We're going to open up the back, resize it to a 7x10. We're going to center it in the center of our page. And again, we're going to print on our sticker paper using our regular inkjet printer. We're going to do the same thing for the Roblox design as well. Now for the pencil box, when we open up the file for the pencil box, we will need to change the page layout to landscape. And then we're going to change the page to an 8.5 by 11, same as the way we did edited in Canva. And then we're going to print. Same format using our regular inkjet printer and our sticker paper. As you can see, we have 5 prints on sticker paper, glossy sticker paper, which is not necessary. You can use matte, but I prefer glossy because it makes it a lot bright and shiny. For the image that's going to go on the front of the notebook, you want to trim away the white border that's on the left side of the image, right? And then add your holographic sheet. No, I did it wrong. You're supposed to add the holographic sheet to the image first, then trim. But it didn't matter here in the video because I just went back and trimmed away the holographic sheet, the border on the holographic sheet. Whereas if I had to put the holographic sheet on it first, then I could have just trimmed away both at the same time, if that makes sense. All right, and then you peel away the backing of your sticker paper, and then you just line it up with the edge of the notebook and use your squeegee to squeeze out the air bubbles and flatten it out onto your notebook. I use an X-Acto knife to trim away the rest of the excess or remaining border sticker paper. I hope that all makes sense, y'all. And I hope y'all are visual learners, because sometimes I know it's hard for me to teach, but I just hope y'all, it's because I be doing voiceovers and it's hard to work and talk and try to, explain at the same time. So I hope if you got questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, for the back. Here now I'm doing it right. Add the holographic sheet first. And again, the holographic sheet is not necessary, but it does add stability to the notebook. And it makes it pretty if you're doing this for a girl. And then you trim the edge that's going to line up with the notebook. Use your squeegee to put it on there. And then trim the remaining or the border away with an X-Acto knife. And I'm sorry if y'all keep seeing my big head in the camera, but I have to get a closer look because I have to make sure it's nice and neat. I try to be a perfectionist, Again, add your holographic sheet. Same process for the colored pencils. I keep saying colored pencils, but it's a pencil box. And then you trim it out. I just cut out the whole entire thing by hand, but I'm pretty sure you can add this into your Cricut design space and do a print and cut. Now you want to do the same process as far as peeling away the back of the sticker paper and then using your squeegee to align it and put it on, make sure it's nice and flat onto the front of your pencil box. You want to do the same process for the second notebook. I didn't do it on camera because the video is already 20 minutes long and we didn't have all day. But this is how the Roblox came out. And then I'm going to show you the little boo-boo. And if I've been saying honey boo-boo, I'm sorry in the video, but it's actually La Boo-Boo. Okay, this is a character that the kids are enjoying. And I've seen a lot of women hang these little stuffed animal things from pocketbooks. I don't know, it's a trending thing right now. But if I said honey boo-boo, it's actually La Boo-Boo. And this is how the color pencils again, or pencil box, turned out. And I do know that if you're going to be making these for a boy, you might not want the glitter or the shimmery holographic sheet. They have clear ones too. But I'm going to link the holographic sheets down in the description. But this is how they turned out. They are so cute. Again, this is something that's trending for back to school right now. It's all over TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Everybody is making composition notebooks. So if you want to get into it, I hope I helped in this video. And I really appreciate y'all for watching. Have any questions, let me know.
All right, y'all, that is it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all that good stuff. Go straight to Facebook. Join the Facebook group so you can get those 9 designs. Again, they're up at the top under featured. They're 9 designs created by me, so you don't have nothing to worry about. Just save them to your phone. Resize them to a 7x10 before you print so they fit your notebook perfectly. And do the full-on process that we did in the video today. Again, it's simple, it's easy. These notebooks are viral right now. So if you're gonna make these for school, jump on it now because school starts back and you got what, like a month or so, 3-4 weeks. And again, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.